How to import products from Indiamart to Shopify. So first things first, you need to go to any web browser, type Indiamart, and then create an account right here. And also you need to create an account here on Shopify. Indiamart needs your email and also your phone number. Now, once you have created an account here on Indiamart, what you're going to do is you have to search for the product you want to sell. You can contact suppliers and get permission or agreement to resell their products. Now you need to collect the following details such as the product title, description, price, product images, minimum order quantity, variants, and shipping details. Now you need to download Shopify sample CSV format, Shopify product CSV template, and then fill in the data from Indiamart such as the handle, title, body, vendor, price, image URL, and then ensure the file is UTF encoded and save as CSV. Now what you're going to do in the Shopify section, you need to go to the Shopify admin dashboard, click on products, import, upload the CSV file, click continue, and then import the products. You have to make sure that by adding image, make sure that the image are in high quality. So after CSV upload, go to each product and manually upload the image. Now, if you can't do this pattern or this method, then you can also try to import this Indiamart products using third-party application. So first, you must have create an account here in Shopify. And then what you're going to do next is you have to make sure that you have your store or you have created a store here. Next thing to do here is you have to tap on Add Apps. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now, next thing to do here is you have to look for Shopify App Store. You have to click Shopify App Store. Tap this one. And then here on the search menu, you can look for Indiamart right here. So type Indiamart and then after that tap on search. So you're going to install this application to your Shopify. Type on Indiamart, press enter. This one right here, click this. And then you can now tap install. Tap on install again. So you have to make sure that you have read all the instruction here. And here is Indiamart. So and then here what you're going to do next is you have to follow the steps or instructions. Okay, you have to follow this one. And then after that, tap on submit requirements. Now in order for you to continue, you need to add your phone number. And then after that, continue with submitting your requirement. So tap this one right here and add your phone number or Indian phone number and then proceed. So basically, after that, you just have to wait for the response. If you scroll down below, you will see here FAQs, and if you have some questions, then feel free to read some answers here related to Indiamart. Now, once you have installed your Indiamart to your Shopify, in order for you to import products, aside from doing it manually, saving the product's name and then import to your Shopify products, you can also try some applications or third-party applications here if it's available in your country in order for you to easily import products from Indiamart to Shopify. You can go to Google Web Store and then search for Robo app. What you're going to do here is you have to simply install this one. So you need to tap Robo AI and then you should tap add to Chrome and then add extension. Now wait for a couple of seconds as you are installing Robo here. You can also pin this one to see it at the top. Now you need to create an account for Robo. And then once you have successfully created an account, and then all you have to do is go back to Indiamart and then proceed to looking for the product or products that you want to input to Shopify, and tap on add Shopify. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will see if this one is, or this product has successfully transferred or imported in Shopify. So as you can see, I need to create an account right here, and then once done, you can follow my instruction. Now you just have to do it again, okay, until you see that you have successfully imported the products from Indiamart to Shopify. Now, if this Robo AI is not available in your country, or if this is not for free, or it doesn't function well, then there is another AI tool that can help you import products from Indiamart to your Shopify, and this is what we call Pokey. You just have to add this or install this to your Chrome, and then it's the same thing. You have to create an account. You have to add your Shopify store right here. If you don't know how to make it, all you have to do is to simply go back to your Shopify. First, in order for you to get the token, you have to go to apps and sales, and then here what you get to do next is tap on allow custom app development, click create app, and then here you have to add the name or app name. Then let's just say it's products, and then continue. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then here what you get to do is you have to tap on configure here, this configure button. Now tap on configuration, and then here you have to look for products, type for products here. What you're going to do next is you have to check this except the box that you can see above. So check all of this, and then after that you can now go back and install or save this one. Wait for a couple of seconds, go back and then install this application. Once done, then you should see this access token right here, and all you have to do is to copy this and go back to Pokey and then paste this one. So you have your Shopify store and also your token. Now here it is, and then all you have to do next is to tap on Shopify and then start also adding the products from Indiamart. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and you will see that this product has been added to your store. So there are also countries that don't accept these applications on Shopify. So these are just a few methods on how to simply add or import products from Indiamart to Shopify. Do it manually or with the help of this third-party application. If Robo AI or Pokey are not available in your country, you can look for other applications that can help you import products from Indiamart to Shopify. All you have to do is to search and then go to Shopify store or go to Google Web Store and then install those applications. I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.